Yeah, it's bullshit. We got another carp down here at Manassas Dam. It's a big one. It's a fight. Got a couple cool dudes down here. Fishing with my kid. Sean's only 9 years old.
Oh.
I fought bigger.
Keep your pole up.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a net. I should have brought it.
Yeah, we have one. I almost caught a ginormous fish. Just took my bait right off.
Oh, really?
That happens. One time we had a big carp on.
If you guys want to put a hook on and throw a worm on.
I don't have very strong line.
Right, yeah, we have 10-pound big game, solar green.
That's like 4 or something.
That's a big one out there.
Oh yeah, come on.
My God.
You see it?
Yeah,
Polarized sunglasses, you can see that thing.
I have some somewhere.
There's a turtle right there. Yeah, it's down now.
They're what, in your pocket?
I don't want to touch it, grab my lure. Alright, you go do that. Don't
Step on the lure, bud.
God, that is cool. Always good.
Manassas Dam, another big carp.
Come on, man, you got it.
May not even be a carp. You never know. It could
Oh,
be
it's
a
something.
Something big. There's a lot of big fish in here.
Just keep your tip up. Don't let him get to the bottom.
In here with, he caught a ginormous pike.
Really, yeah.
Ginormous.
We've caught some big pike here.
A lot. I was fishing up along here. I brought my lure over that way.
Yeah.
And then right before I took it out of the water, the fish came up, grabbed it right away.
Right.
And then I lost my lure.
Right.
For like 2 seconds. Keep working him.
Keep working
You
him.
got it.
Real.
Really, stop running. Here. Move your pole. You go.
Come on.
Yeah.
We're going on almost a 3-minute fight here. A struggle.
Yours was 6 minutes, Dad.
Keep walking with him. Don't let him get too far to that wall. You'll lose him.
Over here, over here.
Here, let me see it.
Nope, I'm hurting him.
There you go. Oh, man. Oh, no, we don't want it resisted no more because it'll break. Yeah, we already broke one.
Alright, then.
We just want to tire him out.
I go there and grab him if you want.
If you want to grab him.
Depending on what it is.
I mean, if it's a catfish, you don't want to grab it.
Hope it didn't snag up.
Nope. Just sitting there.
You sure?
They have.
I don't think so. He went from all the way over here all the way over there.
Right.
He might have gotten caught on something, but I keep going. We got more.
I think you snagged him up. You let him get over to that dam. Yep.
Skylar, do you see the fish? Hold on.
Hold this. Do not drop it.
Skylar coming to the rescue.
I think he snagged up. Yep, he snagged.
Might be a little too far that way.
Yeah, it is. You don't want to get out there in that current, buddy.
I know. We're not getting down the current.
I don't know why you let him.
I feel like this.
Can't believe you let him get over here.
Drag is too loose, Dad.
Here we go, see if there's something right there.
There a little bit.
Wait, polarize.
I feel like it's just. Move a step and pull in the string.
He's coming. I don't know.
Pull and pull. Yeah, I grabbed the string if you want.
Oh, he's coming. I got him. He's moving.
Alright, Trent, get out of the way.
Oh, yep, I see him, Dad. He's actually coming.
I think he is coming.
Oh, maybe you can probably see him with the polarize.
Oh, yeah, he's moving.
Look at our boy, dude. He's coming.
There he is. There he is, Gordon Sean.
What?
All right. This is our channel. Hey, he's right there.
Oh my. Mother.
He's a big one. He's big. I see him. He's right there. You got a fish.
Whoa! Yeah, that's a carp.
Where'd he go?
I think it's a carp.
Yeah, it is. It's a big one. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh my.
Yeah, look at that. There you go. You can grab him now.
Grab him. You got him?
Jeez, oh, Pete.
Here, show him. He's in the phone.
Woo. I'm going in.
It's a big one. Grab him, Sean. Hey, grab him.
Grab him around
He
the
ain't
body.
gonna hurt you. Whoa! Don't grab the line.
Grab him around the body. There you go.
Yeah. He's got him. Yeah.
This is
Woo!
small dogs, boys.
Look at
Nice.
that giant.
Have you
actually
ever
really
seen Cat
good.
Small done this?
Okay, set him down so you don't get your hook.
Set him up there.
You can get a good view of him. Yeah, Shawner. Woo!
I actually grabbed this thing. That was the best fight ever. Jesus.
Hook in his mouth.
Dude, as soon as he got free, dude, I got it.
Might have to get some players out.
I got
I
him.
don't think they have no teeth.
I got him. I know how to do this.
You got it. Oh yeah, you did it.
Poker hurt. Nice.
That's a carp.
Still got some worms left.
All right. Look at me. Whoa.
The size of that tail,
Look at that thing.
dude. The size of that tail.
Another successful fish. Hey,
The size of
I'm gonna go untangle my.
okay. Look at me. Woo!
That's a carp. Probably catch another one. huh,
That's a
Dad?
big one, yep. That's the one we gotta get. That's the carp.
Come on.
One more time. That's the carp right there,
I'll
folks.
see you.
He is the biggest one, a fighter.
He wasn't as big as the last one that
He
you
is a
caught.
fighter, man.
He wasn't as big as the one that you caught, but man, dude, he
He
fought.
is a fighter.
For a little one, dude, he fought like a beast. I grabbed my glasses. Grab
Okay.
my glasses. Oh,
There he is.
how
We
big
can
is
release him. We'll get it on tape. Okay,
I want to look at this thing.
do it. You got anything to say about that?
This is why it says my arm, Dad.
Oh yeah, it's a big one.
My arm.
How much do you think it weighs? What's your guess?
Probably 10 pounds.
I'd say 11, 13.
Right on, 11 to 13 pounds.
I'm feeling the belly right now. Feels like something's about to come out.
Right, it's a belly.
So,
We'll
no,
set him back in there and
he's
release
fat
him.
right here, so I think he's about to go.
Time to release him. Yep, we catch and release. Okay, just set him in there. We got it on film.
Belly's going.
Cool.
No, you don't.
Oh, snag.